thought of using old discarded mattress foams to grow lush greens? Did you know that using the mattress foam in gardening can result in lower water consumption? Yes, that is exactly the innovative method that is being used in a Syrian refugee camp, where hundreds of refugees are being taught how to grow beautiful vertical gardens in a very hostile landscape. Let's take a look at this report.
Why throw away old used mattresses when they can be turned into lush vegetable gardens? At least that's the innovative method being used to grow vegetables in the Zatari refugee camp in Jordan. The Zatari refugee camp, located in the midst of a sprawling desert, now has small oases of greenery that are now dotting the landscape. Plants and herbs like mint, tomatoes and cucumbers are thriving despite the infertile land, thanks to two simple elements: water and some old mattresses. The Syrian refugees living in the camp are working with experts from University of Sheffield and the United Nations Refugee Agency, UNHCR. They are being taught hydroponic farming to grow lush vertical gardens.
As the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, we always try and implement ideas that help the local community, the Syrians here. The soil in Zatari camp is not suitable for agriculture, so we decided to experiment with new technologies that will help the refugees, whereby they can use this process here or when they return.
What is interesting is that this versatile planting method does not require soil. Instead, foam from old mattresses are being placed in small recycled cups along with a seedling and some water. The cups are then suspended in some pipes with water flowing through them.
The project has several goals and positive outcomes. To begin with, it allows us to become self-sufficient. It also saves water, and this agricultural project can be implemented in crowded or small spaces. With regards to the produce, it's all 100% natural and pure, without chemicals or hormones, so the fruits and vegetables we produce are 100% healthy.
The hydroponic system is very water efficient, consuming 70 to 80% less water than traditional farming or gardening methods. This is especially useful in a country like Jordan, which faces major water scarcity. So far, more than 1,500 Syrians have been trained in using this system, many of whom decided to start their own small gardens outside their caravans.
I love working on this project because I enjoy farming. Spending time among the plants and working with vegetables is different than working in construction. So I enjoy this, especially since the process is technologically advanced and the process is clean. Traditional agriculture is full of mud and sand. This is just water. We come clean and we leave clean.
The Zatari camp is home to nearly 76,000 Syrian refugees, and over 40,000 of them are children. These new skills being taught at the camp offers a ray of hope for many Syrian refugees who have lost kin and kind in an unending war. Growing lush, beautiful gardens is certainly a welcome change from rubble and destruction. Bureau Report, WION World is One.